Well, hello there, gardening friends. I'm just out doing some chores. This is a beautiful warm day in the spring, and it's great to be back out in the garden again. Maybe even if I'm just puttering around like I am today. So one thing I'm doing right now is just picking up all these flower pots. This is from my wife's grandfather's garage. They passed away. We had to clean it out. So a lot of these things that might be just pieces of junk were important to her, and so we brought it home. Okay, there's that thermometer. Whether it works or not, we'll see, but at least it's up and not thrown away. Okay, now that I got the hose all hooked up, it's warm enough. I'm going to start watering some stuff. Filling the bird bath. Trying to water all the things that I planted here this spring because it's drier than usual. Okay. You want me to do it? I've also got to get rid of all these seedlings that the honeysuckle bush here just drops all these seeds, and then so I think I'm going to start out just by cutting them off at the ground. Okay, now cut all those up. Here's one right here. Cut this one up. Okay. Did we get them all?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what happens when it gets wet. It doesn't work as well.